Hi everyone, this is Deepak here, the creator of this course, The Magic of Ikigai. A small introduction of myself. I was born as a very shy individual, full of doubt, a lot of confusion, most of the time silent. And so it was for a large period of my childhood, teenage, and adult life. Went on to do my engineering and MBA and worked in fairly large organizations, Fortune 500, some of them. And I was also getting a decent pay for what I was doing. But was there anything missing? Was I truly loving what I was doing? That's the key question. In the last few years, I have moved out and started doing things that I truly love to do. Things that I can continue to do for the next 50 years of my life. Speaking, coaching, counseling, healing, traveling. And as I did this, I started getting better and better at it. I initially offered these services free of cost to willing friends and family members. And slowly I started to see that point in the world which connected to me, that cause in the world which seemed to connect to me. And that was the third leg. And now I get fairly handsome returns, far larger than what I was getting when I was working in the corporates. This is the cycle which we're going to study as we go ahead in this particular course. Beginning with things that you love to do, which enables you to work on it and you start becoming better and better at it. And then moving on to connecting to those parts of the world or those causes in the world which resonate with your vibe, and then finally getting paid for it. It's a journey and it takes a lot of time to move into this. Today I run a trademarked platform called Speakology, the art of effective speaking. Healify, the art of healing. And I'm an Ikigai coach, helping others to truly define their own personal unique Ikigai and connecting it to their lives for a more happy business life as well as a more long and happy, joyous existence. So welcome one and all to this unique course on the magic of Ikigai, the reason to jump out of bed every morning. Thank you so much.